In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create pivot style reports and visualize your data in monday.com so you can quickly spot trends, track performance, and make better decisions. First, open the board that contains the data you want to analyze. This could be a sales board, project tracker, marketing dashboard, or any board with information you want to summarize. Next, click Add View at the top of the board and select Chart View. Monday.com will automatically generate a chart based on your existing data. Once the chart view opens, click the settings icon to customize the visualization. Start by choosing the chart type that best fits your data, such as a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, or other available options. Now, configure your chart by selecting the column you want to group data by. For example, you might group tasks by status, owner, department, or month. Then choose the value you want to calculate. You can count items, sum number columns, calculate averages, or display other metrics depending on your data. If you want deeper insights, add color grouping to compare additional categories and make patterns easier to identify. You can also apply filters to focus on specific data, such as completed tasks, a particular team, or a selected date range. This helps you create more focused reports without clutter. As you adjust the settings, monday.com updates the visualization instantly, allowing you to explore your data from different angles until you find the view that best tells the story. Once you're happy with the chart, save the view so your team can access it anytime. You can also add charts to dashboards for a broader overview of your projects and performance metrics. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create pivot style reports and visualize data in monday.com. Thanks for watching.